In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and upload a new digital product on Gumroad. Whether you're an artist, writer, or designer, putting your work online can be a fantastic way to share your creativity with the world and, of course, earn some income. So let's dive in and get started. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and navigate to Gumroad's website. If you've already got an account, great. All you need to do is log in with your credentials. If not, setting up a new account is quick and straightforward. Just follow the instructions provided on their sign-up page, and soon you'll be ready to go. Once you're logged into Gumroad, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top or side of the screen for the Products tab. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you manage all your current offerings. Now, what we want to do is add something new, right? So let's locate the button that says New Product. This is usually found in a prominent position to make it easy to begin the exciting process of adding something fresh to your storefront. Clicking New Product will prompt you to choose a category for your offering. Since we're focusing on digital goods in today's guide, select the Digital Product option. This is perfect for items like illustrations, ebooks, or sound files, practically anything you can deliver virtually. Once you select this, you'll be able to give your product a name. Think of something catchy yet descriptive to make it appealing to potential buyers. With the groundwork laid, it's time to start uploading your files. Gumroad makes this quite intuitive. Simply click on the space provided and navigate through your computer's files to find what you'd like to offer. Depending on your internet speed and file size, this might take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantaneously. Once you've uploaded your files, you'll have some more options to explore, such as setting a price, writing a product description, and perhaps adding a bit of creativity with your product images. These elements can greatly enhance the appeal of your listing, so take your time to prepare something engaging and polished. After everything is set according to your preferences, you'll have one final task to check off, and that is simply reviewing your listing. Ensure everything looks just right, and when you're satisfied, click the button to publish your product. That's it, you're done. Your digital product is now out in the world for others to discover, purchase, and enjoy. Following these steps, you can easily manage your product listings on Gumroad, turning your digital creations into a source of income. I hope you found this guide helpful as you embark on your digital selling journey. Thanks for watching and happy selling.